In this video, I'll tell you what will happen to your body if you use a stationary bike every day for 30 minutes. So watch the video till the end, it will be interesting. Let's go! The exercise bike is a cardio machine that is ideal for exercising at the gym or at home. Exercises on an exercise bike will help you lose weight, tighten your figure, train your body, and also improve the functioning of the cardiovascular system. So what are the benefits of the exercise bike? Indoor cycling is a great heart workout. Aerobic exercise such as running or cycling strengthens the heart, lungs, and skeletal muscles. They also improve the flow of oxygen-rich blood throughout the body. This, in turn, can benefit your health in several ways, including improved memory and brain function, normalized blood pressure, better sleep, normalized blood sugar levels, stronger immune system, good mood, lower stress levels, more energy. The exercise bike helps to lose weight. Depending on the intensity of your workouts and your body weight, you can burn over 600 calories an hour with an exercise bike. This makes indoor cycling a great workout option for burning calories quickly. But remember that the key to losing weight is to burn more calories than you consume, so diet control is essential here. The exercise bike saves your joints. Exercise on a stationary bike is characterized by a low level of impact on the bones and joints, since it has smooth movements that don't put much pressure on the musculoskeletal system. Running, jumping, or other high-impact aerobic exercise can put a lot of stress on your ankles, knees, hips, and other joints. Since your feet stay on the pedals on a stationary bike, this option is more joint-friendly, while at the same time providing a challenging and effective workout. So, with the right exercise on an exercise bike, the likelihood that you will harm yourself and not benefit yourself is minimal. The exercise bike strengthens the muscles of the lower body. Another benefit of the exercise bike is that it can help strengthen your legs and your entire lower body, especially if you use higher resistance. Exercise bike helps train your calves, hamstrings, and quads. In addition, the muscles of the core, back, and buttocks are involved in the work. The safety of an exercise bike is higher than cycling on the road. Outdoor cycling can be a great way to exercise, but it comes with certain hazards such as driver inattention, uneven or slippery road surfaces, and poor visibility. In addition, it can be hot and humid or cold and humid outside. All these can be very dangerous. When cycling indoors, you don't have to worry about traffic or weather conditions. You can safely train at a comfortable temperature at any time of the year. But don't forget that despite the relative safety of exercise bikes, you must remember the rules of use. In particular, it is important to maintain the correct posture during classes and not overexert yourself. Then training will bring the maximum benefit. How to use an exercise bike correctly and effectively. First, train according to the plan. In order for the exercise bike to be beneficial, draw up a detailed training plan, which will describe the magnitude, nature, and duration of the load by day. Start with 15 minutes at an average pace and gradually increase the load. Second, don't skip workouts. This rule applies to any sport, not just cycling. You will see the effect of exercising on an exercise bike only if they are systematic and of high quality. However, this doesn't apply to situations where you are injured or sick. In this case, you need to skip a workout so that the body can recover. Thirdly, don't forget to rest. If you don't rest, then the exercise bike will do more harm than good. No matter how much you want to lose weight, the principle more is better doesn't work here. If you train every day or even several times a day, sooner or later you will drive yourself into overtraining. Fourth, warm up before training. This is especially true if you train in the morning, as you will reduce the likelihood of injury and increase the benefits of exercising on a stationary bike. Warm up your knees with rotational movements. Stretch your thigh muscles, lean forward several times and touch the floor. Then do 10 to 20 squats. Fifth, watch your posture. To get the most out of an exercise bike, you need to sit properly behind it, with a flat back without excessive bending. Keep your feet on the pedals. Don't put weight on your hands. They should lie freely on the handlebars. Don't lower your head. Look straight ahead. By the way, friends, be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen right now. See you soon.